Hello everyone! On today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your Blue Studio Mega 2016. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, we will need to press and hold the volume up button and power button together. Okay, let's try. First, hold the volume up button and the power button until the blue logo appears and release all buttons. Wait for the Android recovery screen to appear. Do you have old devices not being used at home? Trade them in for cash at swapsmart.com. It's quick and easy. Use the volume down button to navigate to wipe data, factory reset, and press the power button to select. Navigate to yes, delete all user data by pressing the volume down button and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.